So we would have a trip planned on the day that it starts to snow really bad. We've had this trip planned for about 3 weeks now, or a month. And let me just let you see how it looks outside. That's Steve cleaning off the car. It's Sunday morning, snow is falling. Let me see. I didn't want to go out here. Take a look. Winter Wonderland. Hi.
What up? It's bad out here.
So we have 2.5 hours to get to Wisconsin, and pray for our traveling mercies.
And everything's cool as long as you with me. Said as long as you with me. Hey, Nikki in the city.
I got it. It is Winter Wonderland in Chicago. Why is it not focused? There we go. It look like you going fast.
I'll probably speed it up. Okay, so we got our Starbucks because no road trip is complete.
Head north on South Woodlawn Avenue toward East 54th
No road
Place.
trip is complete without Starbucks. So salted caramel mocha, my drink of choice.
They had no salt.
They did have salt.
No, they didn't.
They ran out again this time for real.
So it's just a caramel mocha.
Okay, y'all. So the Starbucks on 55th. Dead
Can't see
giveaway.
nothing, do they?
Right. They never had no salt. What
Ever.
the heck?
Alright.
Alright, you ready? And Steve got a muffin and a pink bag.
It's split.
Ah, your
No,
bag is
that's not.
pink.
That's
Okay.
red. It's light red.
Alright, ready?
And there's Chicago Bulls. Whoa. Stay at your pace, man. Heck yeah. Shaking my head.
I got my Shaka Khan here.
Yo, somebody from the shack and then just for dessert. Nobody order pancakes, I just sip the scissor. That right there can drive a same man dessert. Not to worry, Mr. It was son on life support. Telling her son's on life support. And just imagine how my girl feel on the plane. I was spinning Kanye. She didn't want to hear that remix though. Alright, we are not in Chicago no more. How do I know? That joint say farmers. Look at that brother right there. He working it out.
Look at gas. 209.
209.
Oh! We made it to the Autobahn. It was hard. We made it. All right, guys, we're gonna show you a little bit of our room. Why are you going that way?
Oh,
Okay, so this is our room at the Audubon Inn. Step in and you have an original painting by John Audubon. Flat screen mounted. The bed, oh my gosh. The armoire, which I love. My favorite part, I love me a good chandelier. Reading space. Perfect mirror for a selfie. I love these little tables by the bed. I need to get those. Pretty. And then here's my favorite part of all. The bathroom. So they got a TV in here, which Steve is gonna probably take full advantage of that. Yeah. Toilet. Check out the mirror, which is like really vintage and pretty and just girly. I love it. And then look at this bathtub. Oh my gosh. Look, it's like a jacuzzi, and then like the shower comes straight down, and then you have the option to use the sit-in shower. So it's beautiful. Love it. That's my husband.
What up?
Mwah. One more. It's too good. Mwah. Oh, where are you going? One. Okay. 1, 2, 3 into the toe. So this restaurant is made to look like New Orleans.
Nice.
And we're the only ones here. We fine. It's okay.
So keep these names in mind. Seattle's Stephen Hauschka and New England's Stephen Goskowski. They are...
Good morning, Steve. So we're gonna go downstairs for breakfast. I smelled the coffees through the vent, and I am ready for coffee. And I'm an early bird, so while Steve was still asleep, I was up watching the Kardashians. Look, this is like old school vintage Kardashian. Look how different Kim looks. All right, we got breakfast. I don't know what it is. It's some potatoes, apple, and some type of sandwich with coffee, and Steve has the same thing I have. What is it called again, babe?
They call this one a breakfast sandwich.
A breakfast sandwich. Okay, let me see. I don't know. It's too much cheese, but we're in Wisconsin, so what the heck. All right, guys. So I was just sitting here doing a little bit of writing because I am going to write a book. I am writing a book, and let's go see what my husband is up to. There he is. Let's see what he's doing. He claims to be working on his campaign, which, y'all look, my husband has a campaign and he is set to raise $10,000, and right now he's almost at $2,000. And someone, an organization said that they're gonna match with $1,000, so he's about to easily hit $3,000 soon. It's work. I know it's work, honey.
They say I ain't gonna do it, babe. They said I ain't gonna do it. Barely.
And he's also out here.
Gone.
Oh, see?
Gone. But this is a healthy treat.
We gotta hurry up because once we finish working on our stuff, we're gonna have dinner and watch Celebrity Apprentice. All right, the camera's about to die. Bye.
All right, we headed back.
We're headed back home. It's been real. We are back home. We are back home in Chicago, and I'm almost sure that the car is stuck. We left, it was snowing, and we came back to snow.
Even more snow. Shaking my head, man.
Look at all this. It don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense. We gonna look at this in the summertime. Like, why do we live here?
And I'm trying to figure out, like, how. Look at the fire hydrant.
It's high as a fire
If it was a fire on this block, God forbid.
That fire hydrant's like 2 feet.
Like, seriously, where is it? Oh, gosh. Let me show y'all my car. I'm not gonna show you my license plate, but since we were gone for 3 days, my little Betty Boop, look at her. I don't know how we're gonna get her out. Steve and Tony are gonna have to perform a miracle because Betty Boop is officially not here for this. And let me show you guys how. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Whew, we trucking, y'all. Let me show you how petty people in Chicago are when it comes to snow and parking, that they actually like to put objects in places and call them their parking spot. So as you can see, right here is oh Lord. Okay, that's something saving somebody's spot, and up there is crates. So yeah. All right, guys, we're home. Whew. I'm so happy. I leave.
No, it needs to stop.
It needs to stop ASAP. I leave for LA in 2 days. Bless the Lord on my soul.